Hello everyone, my name is Ludwig van Beethoven. I am known as a German composer and also a pianist, and here is how it goes. I was born on 16 December 1770 at Bonn, Germany. I was born to my parents Johann van Beethoven and Maria Magdalena van Beethoven. I have 7 siblings and they are Caspar Anton Karl van Beethoven, Nikolaus Johann van Beethoven, Ludwig Maria van Beethoven, Maria Margarita van Beethoven, Anna Maria Francisca van Beethoven, Franz George van Beethoven, and Johann Peter Lim van Beethoven. I spent my first year of childhood with my family in harmonious and fruitful atmosphere. When I turned 5, my family and I moved to Rhine Street in the house of a baker named Fischer. At that age, until 10, I have primary education in a school called Tirocinium. But sadly, the years I actually spent in school only gave me little knowledge. Then I withdrew from school to study music full-time. I began performing publicly and was composing from a young age as well, and I didn't go to college. I moved to Vienna twice. The first time was in 1787 when I was only 17 years old and meant to study under Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's tutelage. But as soon as I arrived, I got word my mother was near death. I traveled back to Bonn, Germany, my hometown, to stay by her side. I ended up staying in Bonn for about 5 years, and while I was there, Mozart became ill and died in December 1791. This time, intent on studying under Franz Joseph Haydn, I moved back to Vienna in 1792. My greatest achievement was to raise instrumental music, hitherto considered inferior to vocal, to the highest plane of art. During 18th century, music, being fundamentally non-imitative, was ranked below literature and also painting. Its highest manifestations were held to be those in which it served a text, that is, cantata, opera, and oratorio. The sonata and the suite being relegated to a lower sphere. It was my biographer, Wilhelm von Lanz, who first divided my output into 3 periods, omitting the years his apprenticeship in Bonn. The first period begins with the completion of the 3 trios of piano, violin, and cello, Opus 1 in 1794 and ends about 1800, the year of the first public performance of the First Symphony and Septet. The second period extends from 1801 to 1814, from the piano sonata in C sharp minor, Moonlight Sonata, to the piano sonata in E minor, Opus 90. The last period runs from 1814 to 1827. Though the division is a useful one, it cannot be applied rigidly. A composition begun in one period may often have been completed in another, hence the existence of such transitional works as the Third Piano Concerto, which belongs partly to the first period and partly to the second. So I think that's all that I could tell you about my life. About my journey. Behind my successfulness, there's ups and downs too. I hope my story can inspire you, and thank you for listening. Have a great day.